you know. So GU, this is another situation where you just gotta be patient, man. You gotta be patient because, as you can see, the move kind of already happened. It kind of already happened last week. Came back, retested the level, uh, dropped down. So I'm not going to sit here and mark a level right here and be like, hey, I'll just wait for it to come and retest this level and come down, because we don't know if this bullish pushes over. I mean, this bearish pushes over. So I'm just going to sit on my hands until it tells me what it wants to do. So now, based on the weekly, I can say what I want it to do is to come back up into this area and then let me go short. Based on the weekly, that's what I can say I want it to do. Once again, that's coming to this level and go short. And based on the daily, I do have this level here. So I'm just going to wait and see what happens to see if there's some kind of zone that sets up in this area, and for my EMA to come down and give me more of a barrier and more of a protection for when I want to place my stop loss, and see what happens. So you just have to sit on your hands, man. Just chill. Just chill out. Because if we chill out and let everything just set up for next week, bro, we can have a crazy week next week, man. A crazy week. And